Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 Bluetooth not working issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings and in settings scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this filter icon and from here turn on show system apps button and after that click on OK and now search Bluetooth. Now after finding Bluetooth, open it and after opening Bluetooth, go to its storage. Now in storage, clear the app data and cache memory of Bluetooth. And after that, go back and here click on General Management. Now in General Management, scroll down and click on Reset and here in Reset, click on Reset Network Settings. Now here again click on Reset Settings and then enter your lock screen password.